Attention hog and pig farmers. Did you know that your hog and pig farming business could be eligible for incredible employee retention credit incentives? At ERC CPA, we specialize in maximizing tax benefits for businesses just like yours. Our team of certified public accountants understands the unique challenges and opportunities in the hog and pig farming industry. By leveraging the employee retention credit incentives, your hog and pig farming business could receive up to $26,000 per employee in valuable tax credits. Let our dedicated team of experts handle the complexities of the application process and calculations for you. Don't miss out on the opportunity to unlock substantial tax benefits for your hog and pig farming business. Contact ERC CPA today and seize the full potential of your operations.